And so for the first time in history, we could actually see neural connections in the brain, and then through PET scans, fMRIs, and all the various kinds of imaging, we could actually see what was happening, and we could see damage from post-traumatic stress disorder. We could see how the brain looks different at 2 versus 3 versus 5. And so for the first time, we could look at child development in a very physical and non-theoretical way. Now, Piaget and a lot of the brilliant child development writers were very clear what they were seeing, and we speculated about what the physical changes in the body were, but it wasn't until imaging came along that we could actually begin to see it. And so a lot of the child development, a lot of child trauma, a lot of just general kinds of problems that kids have, we could now see inside the brain, and we could begin to physically identify what was happening. And one of the things that's happening now is that we're beginning to look at, matter of fact, I just helped edit an article on using fMRIs to show changes based on sand play with children. Or in other words, children play with sand and the sensory modality, and they can show that there are changes in the physical structure of the brain from that. So now we're beginning to use all of that to begin to hone in and to improve our ability to do therapy with children, and specifically play therapy, of which sand play would be one of those.